If you work in telecom, you know how important it is to have a reliable butt set for testing and troubleshooting telephone lines. That's where Jonard's latest innovation comes in. Hey, Gareth here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're here to introduce the brand new analog telephone butt set with Digital High Impedance Monitoring, part number TBS-200. Whether you're installing, maintaining, or repairing telephone lines, this tool is built for the job. Here are some key features. Digital High Impedance Monitoring to prevent disruption while listening in on active lines. Last number redial up to 31 digits for quick and easy callback functionality. Voltage protection against excessive voltage, transient ringer signal, and direct connection to most batteries and power supplies. And included are ABN or angled bed nail clips for securely clamping connections. Check out our website for a range of voice, data, and video test equipment and tools designed with quality and precision to meet your telecom testing needs. And that does it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.